Good morning guys, it's Shazia. Welcome back to my channel. Sun is out and it is burning. Everybody's in the pool there. We've had our breakfast. Kids have come back upstairs and fell asleep. So I took the time to unpack everything and put them in their spaces. My sister's gone. She went last night and kids really enjoyed themselves there. So my ones are still sleeping. Look at that. They're still sleeping. And I just managed to sort everything out. We just had this one big drawer, which is okay, it's not bad. So I've just put on everything, sections, Arman section, my section, Iman section, but I'm sure they're still gonna throw them out, so I'll have to keep topping that up. Also settled everything. I was watching YouTube. Good thing is the phone connects to the, well, phone doesn't connect. I've connected my internet to there because their internet wasn't working, so I connected my internet and then I could watch YouTube and all that on this. So yes, all this as well. And my sister gave her goodies to us. Look, big bag of goodies, you know, the crisps and all the snacks that were left. I don't bring them because my ones don't make a big fuss about drinks and crisps and all that, but she is always ready and packed. So all the leftovers she gave us, and I can see my favorite biscuits there, which I'm going to have with my tea. And over here as well, she gave us a few 2 cups. She gave us her tea, and in fact I didn't open my tea, so I just opened her tea. So I started using that, and biscuits and coffees. She's also given us like shampoo and everything that was left over with her cute bags. Like, look at these. So thank you very much, Shabana. They will definitely come in handy, because I was thinking, you know, after the week the shampoo and all that might finish, because here you carry on having a shower and they do sometimes finish, and sometimes we just, there's chemists and everything here as well. There's those like a super drug place as well down the Bazaar side. So I was like, when they finish we'll get more. No need to bring loads from there, same price. But yeah, really happy that she gave all of that. It just tops everything up. But yeah, sad that she's gone, because we didn't get that much time to go around and shop. Because we went yesterday daytime is piping hot here, so best as be after 6 o'clock. That's when you go out. Then it's a little bit more cooler, because later on when we went for dinner it was very cool. That's why the kids managed to walk quite far away. So yeah, I'm just gonna wake these guys up. I'm gonna make a tea for myself, have those biscuits, wake these guys up, and we're gonna head off to the pool. So guys, do carry on watching. Don't know what's gonna happen. Everything is unpredicted here. Don't know where we're gonna have dinner, don't know what we're gonna do today, because this holiday mainly I didn't book any trips yet, because I was saying the first few days is just gonna be like nothing. Even if they're sleeping here, that is what this all was for, that like chilling out in the pool, and these lot, you know, crashing out here and watching TV and all that, and me as well having a little rest, me time. But yeah, we still, you know, in the evening do get out and enjoy ourselves. We haven't overdone ourselves this time, like carry on constantly just waking up early in the morning and doing something. It's just a chill one. So yes guys, do keep watching. The team has just got ready to go out. This is what I'm wearing today. You okay? You alright, Armani? Is it hot? Very, very hot, eh? So the plan is to get the bus from here and get to the main bazaar right down there. We can't bother walking, it's too much walk. No. In fact, you're the one who was complaining about the morning.
I'd rather walk than on the bus.
The walking. Right, then let's go.
Alright.
We're walking. We're not walking, we're taking the bus. And we have to press the button to go down. It didn't read our mind. That wasn't bad, was it, everyone?
It was very hot in there, but
It was, but it was alright. So £1.75 for all three of us from our hotel to get to here, which is, I think so, very, very good. Very good.
I remember here.
You remember now?
Yeah.
This was the main place.
This is where we used to go inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then that was the
Boat
Davy Jones
day,
store.
yeah. So the day trips are here. The statue is here, Mr. Statue. And yeah. So we are going to McDonald's because Iman used to love their coffee milkshake, and I'll get a strawberry one, and Iman, I don't know what he's going to get. So that was our first stop, McDonald's. You finished your ice cream? We got an ice cream. Just going into that bazaar over there, the Grand Bazaar, just to do window shopping yet, and just to look around, find a place to eat, and yeah, dinner for the day is going to be here. If you want to, he was hungry. You can eat now, and we can have a late night snack as well. Then it's alright, then you can look around, and then when you're hungry you can let me know.
I still want that.
Oh, that's my favourite colour over there. That one. I like the design of it as well. The maroon one. Yeah, so I love this. The water, the sea, the statue, and all these boats over here. Really lovely. And now it's the bazaar time. Gift shop. Have it all? You sure? Because you're the little one?
It's kind of ugly out like that.
Look, Chucky. Wonder what the cat is thinking. Meow. Hello. She's in her own world. Oh well. Bye bye, cat. They have even got a supplement shop here. Well, I'm not going to buy it from here. I love these trees. Oh, you just love that bedding. Look at it. Wow, beautiful.
It's meant to be like fake armors, like towels.
What hummus?
These ones,
Armors,
they're
yeah.
like actually quite
I
nice.
know, the bed is lovely.
I don't know, they're not towels, sorry, these are blankets. These are quite nice actually.
I know. This is really lovely.
I think I like this one.
I want to show you how it looks from this side. Beautiful, look at these. And it smells lovely here. Chandelier as well. I just love that bedding. Come here to have our dinner. Okay.
That is quite nice.
Thank you.
That looks good.
I don't know.
Kind of looks like a hot dog.
I don't know about the sauce.
Nah, the sauce is like mustardy. It'll be nice.
Armand's already kind of half finished his. What was it?
Burrito tacos.
Burrito taco, whatever.
Birria tacos.
Okay, that's a chicken sandwich and that's a rib sandwich. She's having ribs today. Oh yeah. The man was still hungry, so he got something else.
Over this, can you please pay big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag? Please, I beg
You're
you.
doing it, using it.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. Nom nom nom. Is it good? Does it taste smiling?
One more thing, you're the first person to start eating and you're the last person. We're still waiting for you. We're finished. Ain't it, Iman? We just waiting
You
for
just
Iman.
say that consented.
You never consent. So we are tired and finished for the day. Had a lovely dinner with the kids. Now we're just gonna get the bus and go back home to the hotel. And kids have gone ahead.